Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to restore your iPhone, iPod or iPad without updating it. So first you have to download this IPSW. It's given in the link below. Then go to iTunes and then press the option key. This is the option key. This, and then click on restore and open the place where you downloaded it, like I have downloaded it on my desktop, and click on it and open it. I'm not opening now because I have restored it before also. So you open it and it will automatically restore your iPhone, iPod or iPad. For subscribe for more. Thanks.